Hi friends, I'm Chef Mangal. Today I'm going to make triple club sandwich. Super, delicious. Only you have to just follow the rules and you see your product. Everybody in your family will love it. At least once in a week they will definitely going to make it. So don't wait. Let's go. Let's come with me and we will start making our triple decker club sandwich with chicken and vegetable. Oh my god. See how the lettuce is crispy. We'll make like this only, better than this. Now we cut tomatoes in slice, but you see before that I sharp knife. Your knife should be sharp. Cut a 1/4 inch thick cucumber and tomato. Just take the hard part from out of it and just swash it. It's lettuce. Now this is 3 slices of brown bread in big size, sandwich size, and this is toasted from both the sides. Mayonnaise. Don't put too much, don't put less. It should be good layer of a mayo. Arrange your sliced tomatoes. Sprinkle salt and pepper on top. Seasoning is very neat for every food proper. Cucumber. Then put your lettuce and again you have to put in another slice mayo. Just spread all over and put in, just press it slightly. Again mayo on top of that second toasted bread. In the market you get a sandwich bread which is a little bit bigger inside, and this is roasted oven chicken breast slice. I put in 4 slices. Then this is 1 egg omelette, plain omelette. Lettuce. I put only the chicken because a lot of people they don't like other non-vegetarian things. So with the chicken and vegetable it really gives a fine, tasty taste to the club sandwich. On third toasted slice, put on one side, put it on top, and with the palm just press it. Toothpicks, so it should not fall down. Stuffing should not come. And see, again I am sharpening knife. And when you cut, oh, what is smooth. See, it's your club sandwich. How is the sharp cut? It's easy. Serve with the French fry and tomato ketchup with wafers. Friends, I told you are going to love this dish. Simple recipe, easy recipe. Your family will love it. It's my guarantee. See you next Saturday, same time on Chef Mangal Kitchen YouTube channel. Thank you.